Finance practice exercises number 17. You can afford a $700 per month mortgage payment. You found a 30-year loan at 5% interest. How big of a loan can you afford? Well, I think the key word here is loan, so it seems to me that we would need the loan formula. Well, let's look at what we already have here. That's $700 a month, so that's our R in our formula, our regular monthly payment. Regular payment, we of course can have payments in other time periods and months. But in this case, our N is 12 because it's per month. And we're looking at 30 years for our loan, and our interest rate is 5%. So we're looking for how big of a loan we can afford. So we're looking for the principal, and we'll go ahead and set this up, all the information into our formula. Okay, so if we type this information in just as we see it, we should get $130,397.13. Then they asked, how much money will you pay the loan company? So this is part A right here. Part B, you are paying $700 every single month for 30 years. And that means that you are paying the loan company $252,000. Now, every time you pay that $700 monthly payment, that has two items in it. It has the part of how much you borrowed, and it also has interest. So on C, when they asked how much of the money is interest, again, remember, this total amount right here is comprised of principal plus interest right there. Okay? And so we said that this was the loan amount. That's how much of a loan we could afford. So that's our principal. So the biggest mistake some students do is they go, oh, principal times rate times time for our interest. No, that would be a simple interest situation, and that's not what we have here. So all we have to do is subtract how much I had paid the loan company minus how much I borrowed. So again, this is the total amount paid to the bank or the loan company. And this is how much I actually borrowed. So the difference will be the interest that we paid them. And that's what we're looking for there.